Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to open your victory pack in UFC Mobile 2. To do this, open your game. Press on this gem button, scroll to the right, press on victory pack, and you need this victory pass. To get it, you can get it by winning any campaign battles. There's a little chance that you can actually acquire it. So you press on this, press here, and it opens. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, liking and commenting this video.